Every realtor knows that first impressions matter. A clean home can be the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. This is where TidyTex Home Cleaning steps in, providing top-notch cleaning services that help local realtors in San Antonio elevate their listings. As a veteran-owned business, we understand the importance of reliability and professionalism. Our mission is to make homes shine just in time for open houses or buyer visits. With our swift turnarounds, we ensure your listings are spotless and ready to impress potential buyers. Imagine a home that sparkles and radiates warmth, welcoming buyers the moment they walk in. But that's not all. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. This simple act brightens up the space, making it feel more inviting and showcasing its best features. At TidyTex, we don't just clean. We help transform properties into potential homes. Check the video description for more details and contact us today to schedule your first clean. Let's work together to make your listings unforgettable.